The designers of the Russian Sukhoi Su-57 fifth-generation fighter jet, including director of the Sukhoi Design Bureau Mikhail Strelets, stated that US F-22 Raptor can't be used to air-to-ground and support ground operations. According to Russian specialists, who developing Su-57 multifunctional aircraft, the US-made F-22 fighter jet is not capable of effectively accomplishing missions to destroy ground targets. US Raptor aircraft that are focused only on specific tasks of air combat. The F-22 was initially developed as an aircraft to gain air superiority. But eventually, the Americans realized that it was essentially wrong to design the aircraft only for carrying air-to-air missiles and made an attempt to fit air-to-surface weapons into the existing configuration of its compartments. But the configuration of the compartments did not allow placing larger cargos. Director of the Sukhoi Design Bureau Mikhail Strelets also said in a live broadcast of the Zvezda TV channel on Friday. Russia's cutting-edge Sukhoi Su-57 fifth-generation fighter jet incorporates the functions of the US F-22 and F-35 fighter planes but outperforms them, chief designer Mikhail Strelets added. It remains unclear what the director of the Sukhoi Design Bureau meant, but the well-known that F-22 Raptor was designed primarily as an air superiority fighter, but also has a ground attack, electronic warfare, and signal intelligence capabilities. For its support ground role, an F-22 fighter jet can internally carry two 1,000-pound class GBU-32 Joint Direct Attack Munitions, JDAM, with the Global Positioning System guided or 8 250-pound class GBU-39 small diameter bombs, two AIM-120C, and two AIM-9 missiles in the internal weapons bay. Also on F-22 can be fitted 4 underwing pylon stations to carry weapons, each with a capacity of 5,000 pounds, 2,270 kg. However, if mounted, external hardpoints will compromise the stealth of the fighter. The pylon itself is designed for minimal impact on aircraft performance. If it becomes necessary for the pilot to jettison the external stores, the entire pylon is jettisoned along with the tank or missile launch rails. The pylon has an aft pivot, so when the stores are jettisoned, the forward attached point is released first. The pylon rotates on the pivot, and then the aft pivot is released. This motion allows the pylon, along with the tank or launch rail, to clear the aircraft when it is released into the slipstream. It is also worth recalling that F-22 completed its first combat mission in 2014. The mission involved targeting and striking an ISIS command and control building in Syria. According to news reports, the mission was a success. The aviationist also released photos showing one of the 12 F-22s belonging to the 95th FS from Tyndall Air Force Base, Florida, with 15 barely visible bomb markings. The bomb silhouettes, on the airframe serial AF-05-086, represent GBU-32-1000 LVJDAMs, Joint Direct Attack Munitions.
Smile.